STORJ crypto is on fire today, and so is my wallet if this short doesn't go down the way I want it to. So we are currently looking at STORJ cryptocurrency. I have put through a short position here, very, very naughty. This is going to be part of the trading series, so let's do a little revision of what's going on that side too. But we can see STORJ is currently looking pretty hot. 120,000 followers here in the crypto space, trading at $0.6 to $7, $232 million market capitalization. Now, kind of going back in time, we can see this is quite an undervaluation phase. It's down by $800 million from its previous all-time high. So let's check out STORJ at the moment. We can see that there is a bit of an ascending triangle forming here for STORJ, but just looking at STORJ on the overall daily time frame, you can see how freaking euphoric and bullish this is, and there is this key resistance at a $0.62 level where we are seeing a ton of resistance and rejections previously. So we can see overbought, RSI looking pretty hot, pretty pump, and we can see each time this RSI kind of travels in these impulses that diminish each time. Each wave they are diminishing a little bit. The bulls are running out of momentum every single time that STORJ does this. Not saying it will happen this time, but last time it happened here, STORJ corrected. Last time it happened here, wasn't as much of a correction, but we are seeing that overbought RSI zone again right here on the daily time frame, where each time so far we have seen corrections following. So I'm hedging my bets. It's risky, very risky, and I'm doing these sort of things so you guys don't have to, follow in my footsteps and maybe lose money or make some large quantities of money. Let me do all the losing or the winning, and hopefully you guys can learn from this particular material here. So we're looking at STORJ, Bollinger Band's looking pretty overpowered here. Just looking to take a small short. At the moment, it's looking like it's going the wrong direction. Hey ho, shit happens sometimes, but we can see if we just look at this previous pattern here, the corrective phase would be, a good take profit zone for me is like the 0.618 to 0.5 Fibonacci at that 0.58 level. That's where I'm hoping the price will come back down to meet this 20-day moving average, but there's every chance we could see a breakout here still for STORJ. So we've got the entry, we are down $228 at the moment. Let's check out STORJ on MEXC so we can kind of get a closer look at what I'm seeing. I'm just seeing a lot of bullish candles, of course. We did have this doji candle sitting here in the middle where you got kind of equal buying and selling pressure. I have myself a take profit and stop loss. So the TP is actually set at 0.545, and yeah, that's probably going to be a little bit too much on the greedy side, so I'm going to amend that right now, and I can show you how to amend an existing take profit for an existing trade. So it's pretty simple. You're just going to click this edit right here, and we want to use for our TP 0.5. I think a good range is going to be around 0.593, so we will edit that to 0.593 on our take profit. 0.593. We can see our estimated profit and loss is $1,000, and our position here for the stop loss is sitting at 0.66. So if we lose this one, we'll be down $1,400. So do not copy this. My risk to reward ratios are completely messed up on this one. But when I see greed, when I see extreme euphoria and greed, I just feel like it's going to come down. And what will probably happen here, because this is just my freaking luck, is that this will have one more chance. This will come up one more time. It will come up to like, I don't know, some silly price like 0.66, and it will come to 0.66. Oh gosh, it's pumping right now. It will come to 0.66, and once it gets there, I just have a feeling it will then do its thing where it has a little blip, a bit of volatility, then it'll come back down to this support region, and then it will just shit itself, because this is coming down. I just don't know when. I don't know what exact price level it will want to do its reversal, because it is overbought, it is euphoric. There's way too much money here going into STORJ for no apparent fundamental reason. At least that's what I believe. So we are down on this at the moment. Hopefully we won't get liquidated. I will update you guys in the Discord, which is also down below. Let's also remind ourselves, what happens with Bitcoin in the month of November. Usually we've seen historically 1 to 3 months with over 30% ROI for Bitcoin. The rest are looking just like a very light returns, but to be fair, of all Novembers, looking back in time, 1, 2, 3, 4 were red. 4 have been red, and the other 8 have been somewhat a positive ROI. So, you know, November should hopefully be a fruitful month. We've got all the excitement around ETFs and things. Alt season has not yet come around the corner to say hello. We can see Bitcoin dominance is still pretty high, but we are seeing a bit of movement with alts. Overall, I think STORJ is a good coin to, you know, do a long-term DCA on. If you're going to hold this coin for a long period of time, that would be a safe bet, in my opinion. You know, we've got some realistic targets to get back to, like $3.36. Yeah, so it's not really been affected by the supply. There's no real price shock from an inflated supply here. We can see overall we got the circulating supply of 371 million STORJ, 424 million being the total supply. So it looks good. I think this could see a good 3, 4, 5x pump by the next crypto bull run. So that is what I think could happen here for the STORJ token. I'm really quite excited to see what might happen. I'm gonna check out this one later. I'm not gonna let the emotions take over me, and the other trades that we'll be doing will be more pragmatic, I think. So we will be hunting for some more trades on this channel very soon as well. So do subscribe for the next part, which will be, I think, tomorrow or Friday, where we'll be exploring the $150,000 to $1 million challenge once again. Big shout out to Bitcoin Mind Tricks now. This is a pre-sale token, raised $3.671 million in their pre-sale phase, so they've not yet launched on DEX or centralized exchange. And yeah, 3 days, 18 hours until the price goes up again. It is now $0.0115. So it's selling pretty quick, it's moving pretty quickly as well, and it's all about tokenizing cloud mining. So if you are looking to diversify your portfolio, remember this is not financial advice, none of this video is, by the way. You can check out this pre-sale down below. You use your MetaMask to acquire some. I've got myself $2,000 worth already, and if you are an avid or, you know, inept trader looking to enhance your skills, we do have the Discord down below with Patreon packages where you can actually unlock up to 600 trading signals per month. There are 5 crypto legend slots available. If you want to take one of the last 5, the link is down below. They sell pretty quick. People do enjoy them. They're getting lots of signals, which are all down in the Discord, so please do check that out. And if you want to take advantage of the upcoming volatility and prepare yourself for next year, please sign up to the MEXC centralized exchange. Low fees, no KYC. Great for futures, leverage trading, and just doing your spot stuff in general, where you can be eligible for some big, huge bonuses, you know, by using my link down below. So that always helps us grow, the channel grow, and the Discord, and likewise the overall community. More giveaways to come, big things for Christmas, big giveaways as well. I want to give back to you guys because you help me thrive, and hopefully we can all thrive together, right? With the markets picking up more bullish. What we're at 7 minutes video. Oh, we are seeing STORJ make that breakout from this what was a resistance zone. Hopefully we're not going to see it move too much further. Now down about $500 on the trade, but it's okay. We move on. We can learn from our mistakes, and that is what mistakes are for. So yeah, let's see what happens with STORJ. Do you think it's going to go up or down? Are you long or short? I'd love to know down in the comments. See you soon, and bye for now.